straw hole. Not even without a straw.
Oh, that is silly. How was your tea sandwich?
Oh, fuck off, Brenda. Cheeseburger with no burger.
Guys, I think the entrance is around the other side.
I just didn't get the meat in the burger. No, with pickles.
Oh, that's cool. This is the cathedral here in Leon. I was just about to go to the top. It looks like normally people who are tourists go to the top of the building, and the entrance is just around the corner. So we're gonna make our way to the top of the roof. Should have a nice view as well, with these folks right here.